Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to be here today. So if today is your first time in this channel, please go to the red button and click, and also the notification button, so that anytime I do any upload, you'll be the first to be notified. So today I want to tell you I want to show you a way you can chase away witches around your home. So if you are being attacked by witches, or you think witches are after your life, I would love you to do this, because this is the best thing you can do. This is the best thing you can do to chase away these evil people around your home. So all you need is to get alligator pepper. This is my alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper. You get it, and what you're going to use to do this is the seed. You get the seed, then you can use one of these. Just bring out the seed and pound it. Then you get this particular leaf. This is called in our language ogirish. So you make use of this particular. Look at it very well. If you have it in your surrounding, you can get it. Look at this. So you get this leaf, and another thing you also need is what? This particular palm kernel oil. So you pound everything together, the alligator pepper and the leaf. You are going to put it in a mortar. Please do not blend this. Don't blend it. Don't blend it. Put it in a mortar and grind everything together. Pound it. Then you add this. But you are going to get a container like this one. You're going to get this kind of container. Then you add everything inside. Then get a red rope and tie here and hang it on your doorpost. Hang it there, and you are going to see different. After hanging this, starting from that day, you are going to see something different. You will never experience such thing. So please, this is what I have today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you are a first person, please kindly click on the red button also, and also the notification button. Please, I also want to appreciate all my subscribers, both the new subscribers and the old subscribers. I say thank you very much for all your support, and God bless you all. Goodbye.